We are REEL in North America, specialized in customized lifting equipment systems. Each day, our employees combine their expertise to carry out highly technical projects in a wide range of fields. For decades, we have been designing, manufacturing, installing, commissioning, and maintaining high-performance solutions tailored to our customers' requirements. Our high level of expertise is recognized wherever we work, making us a growing company. Our teams evolve and progress in dynamic work environments, where health and safety, performance, respect, commitment, passion, and customer satisfaction are at the heart of every project. Our expertise is unique. Our future is promising. Our large-scale projects are proof of our excellence. That's us. That's REEL.